Hi guys, I wanted to go over your infant development and care assignment that you'll have for Intro to Facts. It's going to be due on Friday, as you see up here at the top, September 11th. Just get that in sometime during that day. In my directions here, I start out by saying that you need to do this activity in order by section. So don't skip around because some of the information will actually build on itself. And if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email me and let me know, and I'll do my best to help you. The purpose of this assignment is to let you learn more about how infants develop while they're inside the womb, and also the care that they require after they're born. So we'll go to section 1 here. That's when we're going to talk about the infant developing while it's still in the womb. It's a 40-point assignment. So you're going to read through the week-to-week development on this website link here. You'll click there and go into that and read through them all. And there's really great pictures available on that website as well. So go ahead and look at the pictures so you can have a visual of what that baby looks like while it's growing. And then I'd like you to come and click on these videos as well. They're excellent graphics showing the development of the baby, and they're broken up into weeks 1 through 9, 10 through 14, week 15 to 20, weeks 21 to 27, and then weeks 28 till 37, which is when it'd be born typically. And so watch those videos. They have excellent, like I said, animations, and it shows you everything you can't see from the outside of a pregnancy. And then I would like you to create a timeline. Google Docs would be a great program to do that with. So on your timeline, you will include every single week from weeks 1 to 40 of fetal development. Do not copy and paste this, that's plagiarizing. You'll earn a 0 for that. So go ahead and put them in your own words of what happens to the baby while it's developing. So for each week, so 40 of them, you'll need to include the week number. You'll need to include what size the baby is, and that can be an actual measurement, or some of the websites compare them to like fruits or vegetables. That's fine too. Physical changes in the baby. What's it doing? Is it growing fingernails, hair, physical changes? And then any new things that's happening with the baby when the heart starts beating, or any kind of developmental thing, new things that have happened. If we go to section 2, there are 2 video links here that you'll need to watch. One is a normal labor and birth vaginally, and then the other one is a C-section birth, which it can be a little graphic, so I want you to be aware it's a surgery that you're going to watch. But watch these 2 videos and then write a 2-paragraph reflection comparing the 2 delivery methods. And then I want you to kind of foresee into your future and tell me which you would prefer for yourself or for your partner one day, and explain why. The third section is after the baby's born, infant care. So this is 50 points. You're going to create kind of a digital baby book of baby's first year. So there's 12 months in the first year, so there'll need to be 12 slides, 1 for each month, and you can make a fun cover slide as well, so that'd be 13 slides. For each month, what I'd like you to include on the month page is an age-appropriate picture of the baby. They're not going to match unless you happen to have like a sibling and you have a month picture of them. It's okay, just Google like a 2-month-old baby and a 3-month-old. They don't have to be the same baby. And then the baby care requirements for each of these. So what at each month does the baby need for feeding? How much? How often? What do they eat? Sleep requirements, how much? What type of schedule are they on? How do they play and interact? So early in the year, it's going to be mostly interaction. They don't play yet. And then as they develop those skills to be able to play, include those. And then I want you to include in each month 3 big milestones that they achieve. And for the resources for that, I included 3. There's one from the American Pregnancy Association, one from What to Expect, and one from the Bump. They're all good resources to use for that. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you get to learn a lot about baby development before and after it's born. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you later.